guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Cherise, and today we are going to be making a vegan shepherd's pie, but we're doing it for St. Patrick's Day, so let's get our Guinness. Cheers, bitch. Cheers, right? Great. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Girl. Guinness. Irish. I'm Irish. Am I? I don't know. Greg's looking at me because he already knows the story. I was told my family name is Fitzpatrick. I thought I was Irish.
Your whole life.
My whole life. Turns out the Irish were the ones being led into the country at the time that my family came, but we're really Italian, and we said, our name is Fitzpatrick, let us in, and they said, okay, great, come on in. Turns out I'm really Italian, the fuck? Okay, I didn't know this whole time, so I still identify as Irish, okay? So we're making a vegan shepherd's pie. Full written recipe as per usual will be linked below MidnightMunchiesandmore.com, but I'm going to show you how to do it, which is even better than the written recipe. And you're going to go ahead and push that like button. You're going to push that subscribe button. You're going to push the comment button. And you're going to tell me how much you love me. Just kidding. Let's just jump in. The first thing we need to do is we need to get our potatoes going because y'all know shepherd's pie. You've seen from the pictures, but y'all know what a shepherd's pie is. Don't play me. Don't play me. Do you not know what a shepherd's pie is? You know what a shepherd's pie is. Okay, so mashed potatoes go on top. So we're going to start with about 4 large russet potatoes. Surprisingly, this is one. I should have showed it to you. It was the size of a football. Okay, so when I say large russet potatoes, like, be smart about it, you know what I mean? Because if I used 4 of those, like, it would be overflowing in the whole pot. So to that, we're going to add 4 large cloves of garlic, and then just, I don't know, a bunch of salt because, you know, our potatoes need some salt. So we're going to fill up the water until it's covered, and then we're going to put it on the stove, let it boil, cook until they are fork tender. So now that our potatoes are done about 15-20 minutes, we put them in the strainer. The garlic too, it's hidden in there somewhere. It's still in there, you guys. We still have the garlic. Okay, so to that I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I'm also going to add about a half of a cup of vegan sour cream. Y'all know I'd be using that. Wayfair is my favorite. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons, about a 1/4 of a cup of vegan butter. Sorry, I had to think about it for a minute. And then I have, listen, I wanted to use beef broth for this. Okay, obviously not like real beef broth, hello. But better than bouillon is the famous one you guys use. Can't find anywhere, hey. But I found this on the Amazon, so I'm using this. So I did, the directions on this is a teaspoon for a cup, and I'm gonna need it for the meat part as well, but I'm going to add about a 1/4 of a cup of that here now, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 of a cup of, what's this? Is that Teresa's homemade oatmeal, you guys? You mean what's gonna happen is about to happen? Yeah, it is. So while I use my mixer to beat this up, I'm going to go ahead and show you the video of how I make my super easy, super cheap homemade oat milk.
Show me where to go for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touching the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in the love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.
I want this to be like more like liquidy, I guess. Oh, it's on my finger. That's good potatoes. So I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup of that beef broth. And we're just gonna mix this up. Again, we want it more like softer, smoother. Like we're doing it on top. We're not doing a regular mashed potato. Because if you guys know me, you know I like a skin-on chunky mashed potato. But we're doing a little something different because of the shepherd pie. I'm just gonna cover these up with a little bit of aluminum foil and let them hang out and sit until we're ready to use them. Voiceover time. So we have our onions going in a cast iron with some oil on the stove. 2 onions chopped roughly. Just get them going. Start cooking them down. And then once they start cooking them down, look at how beautiful they get. Oh my God, you guys. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar to this. And we're going to get this mixed around. Get it like a little caramelized action going. Now we're going to add our Impossible. I'm so excited, you guys. They have it at Walmart now, $6.97, so much cheaper. So we're going to pop that guy in there. We're going to start breaking it down, you know, grounding it up, browning it up, brown and ground and brown. She looks so beautiful, you guys. I can't even take it. So now we're going to add a bag of frozen peas and carrots. Just frozen. Throw those bad boys in there. I have 2 cloves of garlic that we minced up as well. We're going to throw that on top and just kind of get those stirring around. Get those going. I just cooked those down for about like a minute or 2. Just kind of, you know, get them a little warmed up. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. So those together are going to help thicken it up. But we want to like mix it together and cook it down for a minute like we would with like a roux or a chili or something. We want to get those really harsh flavors out of there first. And of course, now we have to add, our Guinness. So this is actually a pint size, and I'm not going to use a whole pint. I'm going to use 12 ounces. So like a regular can of beer, regular bottle of beer, 12 ounces. So I'm only using 3/4 of this. I have 4 ounces left over, and I'm gonna drink that, and it's gonna be so good because beer, St. Patrick's Day. So we're gonna mix this together, and we're gonna let this boil down a little bit, get some of that alcohol cooked off, get the flavors. Oh my God, look what she's doing already. And now we're gonna add some more salt and pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon each of those. And then we're gonna come in with our beef broth, and we're gonna add 1/2 cup of that beefless broth, what have you, and just stir it around, and we're just reducing now. We're just making like a gravy, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God, you guys, look at how delicious this looks. So now we're gonna just start adding our potatoes on top. We're gonna add probably all of it, if not as much as it can fit. Now that we got the potatoes going, we can throw it into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes. You guys, here's our shepherd's pie, or a gardener's pie, because we're not actually shepherding animals for the feast because we're vegan. Oh my God. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm so fucking nervous, dude, because like, honestly, you want the real truth is, fake meat freaks me out just as much as the next guy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Greg. Oh my God.
I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my God.
It's coming.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Greg. Thoughts?
I mean, it's been like 8 years since I've had like a shepherd's pie.
Oh my God.
But this is like a shepherd's pie, bro.
Oh my God. It tastes so legit. Oh my God.
Like, that's a shepherd's pie.
Oh my God. Between the Impossible being like chef's kiss, and then that like beef broth thing, right? Oh my God. And the vegetables. Oh! You guys! Oh. Make the fuck out of this. And when you make it, drink your Guinness, because it's so delicious. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I will catch you all next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.